Okay, this is pretty exciting for me. You'll get to see this every day. This is an old St. John's River tour boat. This was strictly for touring. This wasn't for cargo or anything like that. It was just a tourist boat, and it was built in 1910. And so it's very, 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 very base condition. It's not refurbished at all, and that is more exciting to me than if it were refurbished. This is original chipping, paint, the original, I don't know what they call this part of the boat, keel maybe or something, but this iron metal guard that would have guarded the wood from whatever it would have run into, and served as, helping to keep it together and everything too. But this is all the original wood here. You can see this wood here is wet, it's rotting. This is a metal piece as well. It's exciting, very exciting. Usually you see these things, they're in some sort of pristine condition, and it's not as real as even though it is real, it's not as real. And this is as real as it gets. I mean, this is 110-year-old wood rotting away, built in 1910. Very neat, very, very neat. You can see inside a little bit here. Fortunately, one of the windows is sort of broken out. It's gone. It's missing. And we'll stick our camera in there. I'm not going to obviously climb up there, but it's very neat. Very neat. I don't know what it would have ran on. It must have been. I don't know if it would have ran on steam or gas or diesel. 1910. Probably, I don't know, maybe steam. I don't know though, I don't see any big, normally you see steamboats, you got big old boilers and stuff. Any kind of steam engines usually carry boilers, so there must have been a gas or diesel engine. I'm trying to think when the first engines were built. And you can see the rotted out here. Who knows what's up in there? Wish I could get up on top and see up above there. That area right there, where the little house is, the little building, the little storage area shed must have been where the engine was. You can see the turn, the blade in the bottom. It's exciting, absolutely exciting. Let's see what I can see back in here. This window's not broken out. Outstanding, just incredible. Pastime. Very cool. Wheelhouse, I guess that's what I call that. Just very neat, very cool stuff.